Hey guys, it's Anand here from Autobarn. So we got a lot of inquiries on asking about certain topics to make a video on a certain topic. So today we decided to do on a topic called what is a polish and a wax. So you notice a lot of people get confused due to a lot of packages in the market out there, 3 layers, 4 layers, 6, 7 layers. So you know, what is this 6, 7 layers? So today I would like to explain to you the market, what you actually need and what you need to know. So polish is polishing is actually refurbishing the clear coat by cutting a small layer out of it. So by cutting off the layer, you're getting a fresh layer again. It's like you scrub off your skin and you get a new skin again. The same thing a polish is doing to your car. So what you need to know are 3 different types of polish. First polish is called paint cleaning, makes your car shiny. Second is deep compounding. Most of you need this to remove scratches and watermark. And the third one is called paint leveling. So paint leveling polish is only done in certain situation here at Autobarn. The first one is the car is freshly painted. The clear coat might not be even, so you need to make it even. You need a paint leveling polish or oxidation. Very heavy oxidation, you need a paint leveling polish. Other than that, you only 2 layers or deep compounding and a paint cleaning. That's all you need. Your car will look absolutely amazing. And what does a wax does? Wax is a protection layer for your car. It's like a lotion for your skin. So it moisturizes your skin, right? So the same thing, a wax keeps the paint glossy and silky smooth all the time. But just that wax need to be done 2 to 3 weeks at least, or latest by once a month. And wax is a protection layer for the paint. It protects it from UV and easy to clean as well. So this is what a wax does. So polishing to make is to like refurbish the clear coat, and wax is the protection. So usually the wax comes after polishing. Polishing need to be done first and wax is after that. And if you notice that if there's 5-6 layers, there's no such thing as 5-6 layers. 3 step, mostly you need maximum 3 steps. Majority of you need 2 steps. 3-step polishing means include of the paint leveling, the deep compounding, and also the paint cleaning, the finishing polish. So this kind of polish will take a whole day to finish. But someone tell you that you're doing 3-layer polish in 2 or 3 hours, there's no such thing. That means they're doing the same polish for 3 times. If you do the same polish for 3 times, that's not called 3 layers. That's called the same single step. Got the same machine or same step. 3-layer polish comes with 3 different steps, 3 different compounds, 3 different pads to finish. So, and it will take the whole day to do this kind of polishing. And most of you only need 2 layers or 2 steps. That's it. That's all you need. So I hope you guys have learned what is polish and wax today. So that's all from us from Autobarn today.